Hi, this is Advait, and now let's do a short meditation on giving back your gratitude to your teacher. Close your eyes and sit comfortably. Think of your favorite teacher. They can be from school, college, work, or a hobby. See their face, hear their voice, feel whatever you are feeling. Remember one moment when they helped you. Maybe they taught some concept to you and you understood it quickly. Maybe they believed in you. Maybe they appreciated you for something. Or maybe they scolded you and later on you found it helpful. Maybe you liked them for no reason. Now send them thanks from your heart. In your mind, say, "Thank you, thank you, thank you." Keep on thanking that person until it feels like you have given back enough. If another teacher comes to mind, a parent, mentor, or a friend, send them the same warm light. Say inside, "Thank you." Now take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Gently open your eyes. Happy Teacher's Day.